Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo codes for Bet9ja. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to go to Google on my device. And now in the search bar I'm going to type in Bet9ja promo code deals. And then I'm going to hit search and then a whole list of Google results will appear. So we've got a few ones we can check out. Promo code deals for Bet9ja. So we got footballwhispers.com. If we keep scrolling down, we got bonuscodes.com, JohnnyBet, 777score.com. So any one of these sites will work. So for this one here, I'm going to click onto johnnybet.com. If I scroll down again, you can see the promotional code here. So what this is offering 170% multiple boost. So if you register Bet9ja with a special promotion code JohnnyBet100 and get 170% multiple bonus. So go ahead and copy this code and then paste this code at Bet9ja to receive that promo code deal and activate it. These third-party sites change their offerings daily or weekly, so be sure to check them out to see what other offerings you can use at future dates as well. And another side note, they do expire, so be sure to make sure the codes are still active